Hi everyone, my name is Shaukat Ali Zahir Hussain, or everyone calls me simply Ali. I am the founder and technical director of Tanzania Open Innovation Organization, or shortly TOIO. This is the first Fab Lab makerspace in Tanga, and we're the first Fab City in East Africa. We're so happy for you to be at the Fab Summit in Boston, and as part of the experience, we would like to give you a small experience of what we've been building in Tanzania. What you'll be interacting with is something called SensePlay. SensePlay is our cognitive educational platform that's been designed and developed for youth, kids, and adolescents to focus on their cognitive skills. As we know, there's a lot of STEM resources available online, which focuses on a lot of STEM activities like science, math, physics, and the rest. But we believe there's a more important and more interesting area for us to focus on, and that is cognitive skill development. So what you have in front of you will be the software platform which we've developed. There's a variety of games that you can interact with that will allow you to focus on certain cognitive skills and measure your skill set accordingly. The way the SensePlay works is that it runs an LLM behind the scenes, which we watch you literally play the game, and then based on your scores, we can then give you aggregated data on how well you have progressed with the cognitive skill that you are focusing on and with. So without further ado, I'll just give you a quick intro of how to go about it. You have the link available in front of you, and we'll basically use an open source board called Makey Makey. This is a very simple conductive board that uses touch as a reference. The only thing that we'll do is a bit of wiring, so I will show you how to do it, and then you can use it as well. So connect the USB, as you can see, to your computer, and the other cable right behind your Makey Makey. So this basically powers up the board. And then in order to have a closed circuit, so what we'll do is we'll take one of the crocodile clips that are in front of you, connect it to the earth section called the ground. Make sure that you are in contact with it all the time, because as you navigate or touch the keypad, you will be closing the circuit or the loop, which means you will then basically be activating the keypads in front of you. So you can play any of the games that you like from the platform and have fun with it. We would love to know your thoughts, provided you give us your feedback, and if it's something that you think is relevant, we could further explore, test in your schools or your spaces and the community at large. We're more than happy to do that. So have a blast, have fun. Should you have any other questions or would you like to contact us or get in touch with us, the details are available on my phone number, which is on WhatsApp, or email, or my LinkedIn. Thank you so much, and talk to you soon, or have a great time. Ciao, see you there.